What we have here is the robot with a basket for the cabling, and here's the nest for the connectors. And the way that this works is cabling is deposited in the nest. That is set in here, being sure that the connectors are down. Now we have everything contained such that we can run the robot. We have the grease cartridge in this pressurized container. It feeds down through polyflow hosing to a spool valve here, which is controlled by the robot to do the dispensing. So what we've programmed in to program number 10 is the program for handling these connectors. So once the connectors are nested into the tooling, we press the start button. Once all the parts are in position and nested in the tool, press the start button. Robot moves into position and dispenses material into the connector. So we have two nests here, one being run on the robot, and a second one here that can be loaded with connectors while the robot's working on the first one. To load the nest, you align the connector with appropriate slot, move the connector into place, and slide down and put it in.